Hi, I'm Sean with Amped Up Marine, and today we're going to be unboxing the JL Audio MediaMaster MM55. This is their compact source unit. It is fully featured with Bluetooth, USB, AM/FM radio, and NEMA 2000. When you first open the box, you will have your documentation. You will have a mounting template and gasket for the radio. And then you will have some mounting hardware. And then you'll have the radio itself. Remove that. On the other side of the box, you will have your power cable and speaker harness. Getting into the radio, you have a nice silicone cover. And then you have the radio with a nice display. Easy to use volume knob that has a very nice user interface. Out of the back of the radio, JL does a very good job at labeling all of your outputs for you. You have zone 1 through 3, and then you have a subwoofer output on each zone. You have your AM/FM Motorola antenna harness. You have your power and illumination input, as well as your amplifier remote turn on. You have USB buried in here. And then you have NEMA 2000 and your remote wire. To install this radio, you just simply pop off this cover here, this trim bezel. It will access your 4 mounting screws. This is a very compact radio while still having a ton of features. It does have a built-in amplifier, as mentioned before. The specs will be right behind me here, and you can find the link to this product in the description below. And I'm Sean with Amped Up Marine, and thanks for watching.